Fellow moms out there, when is the last time you did something just for yourself? It's probably been far too long, right? Well, today I have a proposition for you because we are unboxing the awesome FabFitFun spring box, and there are a ton of cool products that you can choose from. We're gonna unbox mine today. The saying on the outside of the FabFitFun box is my favorite. It says, FabFitFun is a nice place where nice people get nice things at nice prices. I've ordered FabFitFun boxes in the past and shared them here on my channel, and I just think it's such a great option for you to do something for yourself. And the thing I like most about it is that the boxes are seasonal and also customizable, so you get to choose every item that goes into your box. If you're not familiar with FabFitFun, they're a lifestyle subscription where you get 6 products per season from top brands across beauty, fashion, home, wellness, skincare, and more. Recently, I have been excited because they have been including more kitchen and home products, which I got a few of today and I'm excited to share with you. So as I go through the items in this box, I'm gonna be sharing the actual retail value of each of these items, which you're gonna see at the end, the insane deal that you're getting. This first product that I chose is a Free People candle. It's jasmine and coconut. It smells really fresh and light, and I always am burning a candle in my house, so when I saw this choice, it was a no-brainer. The next thing I chose were these earrings. These are the Crystal Haze Mini Serena hoops in gold. I just love like a simple gold hoop, and I also love the gemstones on them as well. I can always use earrings like these, and they are especially my favorite for go-tos when I'm not quite sure what earrings I want to wear. And these have a retail value of $85. I also picked out this bauble bracelet set from 8 Other Reasons. The value of this is $45, and I love different types of bracelets. I actually really like that you can use just one or a couple of the bracelets or use them all, but these are really cute and they go with anything. The next product I chose was this Bondi Boost Anti-Frizz Flyaway Wand. This is one of the things when I saw the choices in the box, it's like, I didn't even know I needed this, but I clearly needed it. So this is just like a little kind of mascara wand that you can use to tame flyaways with your hair. When I straighten my hair, I noticed that, you know how you get all of those little strands that kind of stick up? Well, this is super convenient. You can obviously like keep it in your purse or use it after you're done styling your hair, but you just take it and tame down the flyaways and it works fantastic. And this one is a $16 value. I also got this really pretty journal from Rifle Paper Company, which is a well-known journal company, and they make these beautiful planners and journals, but I can always use something like this. I really like that it has the elastic loop closure, so if you throw it in your purse or something like that, it's not gonna fall apart and get damaged. It also comes with a pen and a pen loop, which is really nice. So definitely looking forward to using this. I know a lot of people like to take notes on their phone and things like that, but I prefer to have paper with me so that I can jot down things if I need to. And I might even use this in my work bag as well. Okay, and then the last thing I chose was this Short Stories 8-inch nonstick fry pan, which when I saw this, I was like, oh, I have to get that also, because I actually don't have a small nonstick fry pan right now. I don't know what happened to the last one that we had, but I'm actually going to be using this today and showing you guys how I make a tuna melt because it's lunchtime and I'm hungry. But I love that this option was available. There were also like several other kitchen items in most of the product choices as well. So if you like to cook like me, you will also have lots of options for that. And this one was a $75 value. So a lot of these items that I showed you today, like these earrings and this nonstick skillet, the value of these products is actually more than you'll pay for your whole entire box with 6 product options, so it's a great deal. As a FabFitFun member, you also get access to amazing flash sales, and they include top brands like Bobbi Brown, KitchenAid, Tula Skincare, and Free People. Those flash sales are awesome to take advantage of because you can get those products for up to 70% off, and the average member saves $500 in their first season. Okay, so now the best part, I get to share an awesome discount with you guys. There's a couple different ways you can sign up for FabFitFun. The first is you can sign up seasonally, so you pay every 3 months, or you can choose an annual plan and you get a bit of a discount for paying for the whole year up front. If you sign up for the annual plan and use my code JENGIFT, it's JENGIFT, you're gonna get a free gift valued at over $200 with your annual membership. I'm an annual member and I love it because you get first dibs at choosing the products for your box. You also get earlier shipping and first access to those flash sales I was talking about before. I recommend the annual membership because you get more out of it, but if you wanted to sign up for the seasonal membership, I have a code for 20% off your first box. That code is just JEN, J-E-N, and that code is gonna get you your first box for just $55.99. Each season's box has a value of up to $350. What I showed with you today, my box was valued at just under $300. So make sure you treat yourself today. Go down to the description box below and choose one of those options. Use my code either JEN or JENGIFT to grab your seasonal or annual FabFitFun subscription. Now let's make lunch. All right, so here's what I'm using for my tuna melt. I've got 2 slices of wheat bread. You can use whatever bread you want, just make sure it's kind of a heartier bread. Some melted butter for the outside of the bread. This is some tuna salad that I prepped earlier this week. Some sliced tomatoes that I seasoned with salt and pepper, and some cheddar cheese. I like cheddar cheese on my tuna melts, but you can use American or whatever you like. So I'm just gonna brush the outside of the bread with a little bit of melted butter. I'm gonna lay that down in my nonstick pan. I added a layer of tuna salad, and then if you're gonna use tomatoes, I just recommend putting them in the middle between the tuna and the cheese. Sometimes if you put them like right next to the bread, it'll get a little bit soggy. And we're gonna add our cheese and then our other slice of buttered bread. Now, I'm gonna turn this on medium low. You don't want the outside to brown before it can heat through. So another thing that I like to do is just use any lid that you have on hand, like a saucepan lid, and just kind of put it down on top of your sandwich as it cooks, and that will help heat up the inside of the sandwich and help press it down a little bit. Okay, so here is my finished tuna melt. It turned out great. I love that pan. It's just perfect to fry a couple eggs or 1 egg or a sandwich. And the best part is, since it's so small, it doesn't take long to wash. Thanks for joining me for today's video. Don't forget to treat yourself. Head down to the description box below and use my link to get your FabFitFun box. Let me know what you guys end up choosing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.